22/06/2022 Chapter 5, Packages. What are Java packages? Definition 1. A package is a collection of related classes and interfaces that provides access protection and namespace management. Definition 2. Java programs are organized as sets of packages. Each package has its own set of names for types, which helps to prevent name conflicts. A type is accessible outside the package that declares it only if the type is declared public. The naming structure for packages is hierarchical. The members of a package are class and interface types, which are declared in compilation units of the package, and subpackages, which may contain compilation units and subpackages of their own. Package members. A Java package can have members of either or both of the following kinds: subpackages of the package. Types declared in the compilation units. Java packages. What are Java packages? Content. For example, in the standard Java application programming interface, API, the package Java has subpackages applet io lang net awt, and jatil, but no compilation units. The package java.authors as you package a named image, as well as a number of compilation units containing declarations of class and interface types. If the fully qualified name of a package ASP, and cheese as you package EOP, then p.cheese the fully qualified name of the subpackage. For the subpackage soft package Java named lan-util, and io, the fully qualified package names are therefore java.lang, java.util, and java.io. Java packages. What do we need Java packages? Purpose. Java programmers bundle groups of related classes into packages, to make classes easier to find and use. To avoid naming conflicts. Suppose you wrote a date class and there is already another class called date-to-control-access. A package is like a project in C. Java packages and subpackages. A package may not contain a type declaration and a subpackage of the same name, or a compile time error results. Here are some examples. 1. Because the package java.auth is a subpackage image, it cannot, and does not, contain a declaration of a class or interface type named image. 2. If there is a package named mouse and a type button in that package, which then might be referred to as mouse.button, then there cannot be any package with the fully qualified name mouse.button or mouse.button.click. 3. If com.sundayjava.jage is the fully qualified name of a type, then there cannot be any package whose fully qualified name is either com.sundayjava.jag or com.sundayjava.jag.scrabble. Java packages. 1. 22/06/2022 Packages and subpackages. Content. The Java package includes several other subpackages, such as java.io, which provides facilities for input/output, java.net, which deals with network communication, and java.applet, which implements the basic functionality of applets. The most basic package is called java.lang, which includes fundamental classes such as string and math. It might be helpful to look at a graphical representation of the levels of nesting in the Java package, its subpackages, the classes in those subpackages, and the methods in those classes. This is not a complete picture, since it shows only a few of the many items in each element. Java packages methods compilation units. A compilation unit consists of 3 parts, each of which is optional. A package declaration, giving the fully qualified name of the package to which the compilation unit belongs. Import declarations that allow types from other packages to be referred to using their simple names. Type declarations of class and interface types. Java packages. How to create a Java package? As mentioned earlier, the classes and interfaces that are part of the JDK are members of various packages that bundle classes by function. Applet classes array in java.applet.io, classes array in java.io, and the GUI widget classes array in java.awt. You can put our own classes and interfaces and packages, too. Let's look at a set of classes and examine why you might want to put them in a package. Suppose you write a group of classes that represent a collection of graphics objects such as circles, rectangles, lines, and points. You also write an interface draggable that classes implement if they can be dragged with the mouse by the user. Java packages. How to create a Java package. An example point.java rectangle.java Java packages public class point int x underscore keyword, int y underscore keyword, public point, x underscore keyword equals 0, y underscore keyword equals 0, / end of point constructor 1 public point, int x, int y, x underscore keyword equals x, y underscore keyword equals y, / end of point constructor 2 / end of class point public class rectangle extends point double width, double height, public rectangle, int x, int y, double h, double w, super, x, y, width equals w, height equals h, / end of rectangle constructor / end of class. Rectangle public class square extends point double edge, public square, int x, int y, double e, super, x, y, edge equals e, / end of square constructor / end of class square dot Java public class circle extends point double radius, public circle, int x, int y, double r, super, x, y, radius equals r, / end of circle constructor / end of class circle dot Java public interface draggable / end of interface draggable dot Java 2 22/06/2022 How to create a Java package. An example, content. Now, we would like to put these classes and the interface together in a package. For several reasons, you and other programmers can easily determine that these classes and interfaces are related. You and other programmers know where to find classes and interfaces that provide graphics-related functions. The names of your classes won't conflict with class names in other packages because the package creates a new namespace. You can allow classes within the package to have unrestricted access to each other, yet still restrict access for classes outside the package. Java packages. Creating a Java package. Now, you can easily create your own package, geometry, and put all the above Java class and interface definitions in it. Simply, add the package statement at the to of all the previous Java files as follows: rectangle.java package geometry, public class point int x underscore keyword, int y underscore keyword, public point, x underscore keyword equals 0, y underscore keyword equals 0, / end of point constructor 1 public point, int x, int y, x underscore keyword equals x, y underscore keyword equals y, / end of point constructor 2 / end of class point Java packages package geometry, public class rectangle extends point double width, double height, public rectangle, int x, int y, double h, double w, super, x, y, width equals w, height equals h, / end of rectangle constructor / end of class rectangle draggable dot Java package geometry, public interface draggable / end of interface draggable Java package statement. Creating a Java package, content. You include the package statement in all the Java files you intend to include in your package. Circle.java square.java Java package statement package geometry, public class circle extends point double radius, public circle, int x, int y, double r, super, x, y, radius equals r, / end of circle constructor / end of class circle package geometry, public class square extends point double edge, public square, int x, int y, double e, super, x, y, edge equals e, / end of square constructor / end of class square. If you do not use a package statement, your class or interface ends up in the default package, which is a package that has no name. Generally speaking, the default package is only for small or temporary applications or when you are just beginning development. Otherwise, it is recommended to have classes and interfaces belonging to named packages. Java Packages 3 22/06/2022 A practical example package calculation. Tovar, public class product int var1, int var2, public product, int A int B, var1 equals A, var2 equals B, public int get product, return var1 asterisk var2, a practical example package calculation.tovar, public class difference int var1, int var2, public difference, int A int B, var1 equals A, var2 equals B, public int get difference, return var1 var2, a practical example package calculation.tovar, public class division int var1, int var2, public division, int A, int B, var1 equals A, var2 equals B, public float get division, return var1 slash var2, a practical example package calculation.tovar, public class sum int var1, int var2, public sum, int A int B, var1 equals A, var2 equals B, public int get sum, return var1 plus var2, 4. 22/06/2022 A practical example import calculation.tovar asterisk, public class my class public static void main, string arg, int A equals 10, int B equals 20, product S equals new product, AB, system.out.println, the product of A plus and plus B is equals plus S dot get product, difference D equals new difference, BA, system.out.println, the difference of B plus and plus A is equals plus D dot get difference division DD equals new division, BA, system.out.println, the division of B plus and plus A equals plus A plus is equals plus DD get division, sum SS equals new sum, AB, system.out.println, the sum of A plus and plus B is equals plus SS get sum, package naming with programmers all over the world writing Java classes and interfaces, it is conceivable and even likely that two programmers will use the same name for two different classes. In fact, the previous example does just that, it defines a rectangle class when there is already a rectangle class in their java.out package. Yet, the compiler allows both classes to have the same name because they are in different packages and the actual name of each class includes the package name. That is, the name of the rectangle class in the geometry package is really geometry.rectangle, and the name of the rectangle class in their java.out package is really java.awt.rectangle. This works just fine unless two independent programmers use the same name for their packages. E.g. both java.util and java.sql have a date class, so if you are using both packages you need to reference with java.utility_date or Java packages java.sql.date. Java packages and host file system as an extremely simple example. All the packages and source and binary code on a system might be stored in a single directory and its subdirectories. Each immediate subdirectory of this directory would represent a top-level package, that is, one whose fully qualified name consists of a single simple name. The directory might contain the following immediate subdirectories: C drive Windows Java Miss Office My Pack. Continuing the example, the directory Java would contain, among others, the subdirectories shown below. These subdirectories correspond to the packages java.applet, java.awt, java.io, java.lang, and java.net that are defined as part of the Java API. Java applet, awt, io, lang, net, Java packages and host file system, conted. The subdirectory MyPacks may contain your own packages that you have created for your personal use and to share with other Java programmers. MyPacks geometry physics science. Still continuing the example, if we were to look inside the subdirectory geometry we might see the following files: circle.java, draggable.java, point.java, rectangle.java, square.java, circle.class, draggable.class, point.class, rectangle.class, square.class. Java packages 5. 22/06/2022 Using package members. Only public package members are accessible outside the package in which they are defined. To use a public package member from outside its package, you must either refer to the member by its long, disambiguated name, import the package member, import the member's entire package, Java packages referring to package members by names. You can use a package member's short name if the code you are writing is in the same package as that member or if the member's package has been imported. However, if you are trying to use a member from a different package and that package has not been imported, then you must use the fully qualified name of the member, which includes the package name. This is the fully qualified name for the rectangle class declared in the geometry package in the previous slides. Geometry.rectangle. You could use this long name to create an instance of geometry.rectangle. Geometry.rectangle myrect equals new geometry.rectangle 0, 0, 20, 12. You'll find that using long names is okay for one-shot uses. But you'd likely get annoyed if you had to write graphics.rectangle again and again. Also, your code would get very messy and difficult to read. In such cases, you can just Java packages import the member instead. Importing a package member. To import a specific member into the current file, put an import statement at the beginning of your file before any class or interface definitions, but after the package statement, if there is one. Here's how you would import the circle class from the geometry package created in the previous slides. Import geometry.circle. Now you can refer to the circle class by its short name. Circle myCircle equals new circle 0, 0, 15. This approach works just fine if you use just a few members from the geometry package. But if you use many classes and interfaces from a package, you really just want to import the whole package and forget about it. Java packages. Importing an entire package. To import all of the classes and interfaces contained in a particular package, use the import statement with the asterisk wildcard character. Import geometry. Now you can refer to any class or interface in the geometry package by its short name. Circle myCircle equals new circle 0, 0, 15. Rectangle myrect equals new rectangle 0, 0, 20, 12. The asterisk in the import statement can be used only to specify all of the classes within a package, as shown here. It cannot be used to match a subset of the classes in a package. For example, the following does not match all of the classes in the geometry package that begin with a. Import geometry.a asterisk / does not work. Instead, it generates a compiler error. With the import statement, you can import only single package member or an entire package. Java packages 6. 22/06/2022 disambiguating a name. If by some chance a member in one package shares the same name with a member in another package and both packages are imported, you must refer to the member by its long name. For example, the previous example defined a class named rectangle in the geometry package. The java.auth package also contains a rectangle class. If both geometry and java.auth have been imported, then the following is ambiguous, rectangle rect. In such a situation, you have to be more specific and indicate exactly which rectangle class you want by using the member's long name, geometry.rectangle rect, or java.awt.rectangle rect. Java packages automatically imported packages. It should be noted that the Java runtime system automatically imports 3 packages for you. 1. The default package, the package with no name. 2. The java.lang package. 3. The current package. Java packages named and unnamed packages. Named packages. A package declaration in a compilation unit specifies the name of the package to which the compilation unit belongs. Here is an example of named package declaration. Package csics.shapes, class point int x, y. Thus, the fully qualified name of class pointis, csics.shapes.point. Unnamed packages. A compilation unit that has no package declaration is part of an unnamed package. As an example, the compilation unit, class first call public static void main, string args, system.out.println, hello world, defines a very simple compilation unit as part of an unnamed package. Java packages visibility and packages 7. 22/06/20